In today's vlog, we're going to be removing the interior parts. So I already removed the driver's side visor, the little assembly to open the sunroof, got that removed, and I'm about to start working on passenger side visor. 2 screws right here, 2 right here, comes off really easily. I'm gonna remove this handle here, light, this handle, and seatbelt sides. So let's just start working one step at a time and start removing these things so we can get this whole liner off. The thing about the liner though, I'm actually happy that I removed the windshields, because look, this actually, it goes right around here. So for me to even get it off, I kind of had to slide it out. So you can see right there. Interesting. Okay, so let's start removing things. I've got my little bags where I'm gonna put my parts. So I'm gonna keep this right beside me so I can label everything. Boom. So this is off. Nice. Great shape too. Look at this. Excellent. Let's remove this too. Okay, here we go. That's a lot better. Let's see what we got here. Okay. This basically, okay, we gotta remove. Okay, I see what's going on. All right, let's not rush into this. Let's one step at a time. Let's get these handles removed and this light right here. Let's figure all this stuff out. Pops off. Okay, we got 2 screws in here. Man, the focus is killing me. Got 2 screws right here, 1 and 2. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Boom. Pops right off. Okay. Now let's just remove it. While I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead right away and get a bag for this too, label it, and put it in a baggie. And best thing to do is get everything organized. Keep everything organized. There you go. So I got 3 different sizes. Smaller size. This one's like long but not as wide, and this is like the big boy right here. Nice bag. So this one's gonna go probably in here, which is cool. It's gonna go there. Screws out of here. So I'm gonna start bagging everything that I take off, make sure that I don't lose anything. Excellent. Okay, let's remove this. See, this is gonna work. Let's see. Oh, it comes off like this, very easy. Nice. And then it slides right out. Oh wow, this is broken right here. Look at this. This is broken. Gotta glue that. So you can gently remove this. 1. Oh, man, everything's like so fragile. Come on, nice and easy. Come on out. Nice and easy. Oh, 1. See, this right here is like, oh my goodness. Nice and easy. I'll have to replace these anyway with the LED. But, oh, look at that. Just this one slid out, so it didn't break. This is the only one that's broken, and I'll probably just glue it just nicely and gently out. Boom, out. So this one's a little broken. We can get some glue and glue this together. How does it go? Like so, or like this? We'll figure it out. But see, this is right here is broken, but we got it off. Put this in the bag. While I'm here, I might as well remove rips very easily. Like I just touched it and it ripped. Oh man, gotta be very careful with this. Okay, I'm gonna move to the other side. Okay, next, I'm gonna have to remove the seat belt. Okay, this comes right off. Okay, let's see what, that's too big. It's probably like a 15. Try 17. Boom. 17 millimeter. And why am I removing it? So I can get this panel off right here. See? I need to get it off. So I have to remove the seat belt. Let's see. Do I need to get it off? Yeah, I need to, because I need to get these little trims off also. So let's just remove it. Comes out. Let's see what else needs to be done here. I think probably need to remove the seat belt from the bottom too, because it goes in right there. Let's see how it's going. Ooh, that fell out. This piece, oh, I see. So this piece was glued to right down here. See? I need to make sure not to lose this. A little spacer fell out too, right here. Leave it at this point right here. Like kind of loosen that up and leave it here. Now let's do the same thing on this side. Remove this. Clips off. 15 millimeter socket, 3/8 ratchet. Okay, here's the little spacer right here. Same thing, this needs to be glued. Boom, grab onto the spacer before it falls down. There you go. Okay, now let's make an attempt. Remove this trim. Okay, it's definitely, look at this. Okay. Oh wow, it's all glued together. That clips right off. Nice and easy. Okay, that's off. And this part also just clips off. Oh. Yeah, not too easily. Okay, so I found my clip removers. A little, look at these little bars I have. So maybe this will help me out, but I'm not sure. Let's try it out, see what's gonna happen. Honestly, I'm just gonna take it off and remove and replace the clips, because there's no way I'm gonna get underneath there and get this out without breaking any clips. So let me just remove it. So, boom. It is removed. And I didn't break this trim, so that's good. Clips, I just need to take them out separately and put them back in. The only one I broke is here, which it's not a big deal. So that looks pretty good. So check it out. Look at this. Nice, huh? This comes off pretty easy. Two brackets right here, and you can see right here, this is where they go in. So this is the bottom seat. Now let's see, these are the brackets that go in. So the bottom seat comes up first, and then this seat right here pops out, holds right here, and clips in right here. So it goes on right into these little brackets, both sides. This is what I was talking about. See? That's why I can't get that trim out, because I gotta get this seat out first. 1 and 2, and this seat comes out. And you got this area here. Well, this is cool. Let's see. Wow, nice. Very nice. Very nice. Coming along really well. So it looks like a 10 millimeter right here. Let me get that out real quick. And this is the reason why I can't get this trim out. Look, see that clip right there? There's a clip right here, it has to come out. Let's get that out real quick. I'll use my little clip remover right here, or maybe even this one. Let's see if we can get it out real quick. So basically, yeah, here's this one here maybe. So that's how it looks like. This comes out first, and then that one right behind it. So don't break the rear trims, dudes. So now, boom, that's removed. This is the rear. Look at this, nice. Very nice. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Let's go remove. Let's get this bolt out right here. That's out. Let's go to the other side. Same thing here. Let's see. Oh, this one's actually, no, it's good. Still right here. Exactly the same deal. So this should come right out. Boom. So that should do it. Let's see if it's gonna come out. Boom. Here's the rear seat. The foam is awesome. Look at this. Let's take a look at it real quick. It's in great shape. The leather has to be changed though because of the cracks. So we'll rebuild the seat. Put it into this bay. Okay, excellent. Let's go take a look inside, see what's going on now. I'm not gonna remove any seat belts. I don't think it's necessary. This thing also needs to be cleaned out. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I'm gonna put these screws back so I won't lose them. This side and also this side right here. Okay. Wow, this thing is in great shape. I'm glad there's no rust anywhere. That's very good. Very nice. Let's see what this looks like. Look at this. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Look at that. Let's remove this thing right here. How do we remove this? Let's see. Okay. It goes right here. Okay, let's start with the seat belts, maybe. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.